Hi everyone, this short tutorial is about how to set up DSS 8 or how to connect your DSS 8 server with your Gmail account. So let's have a look on that. First, go on configuration part of your DSS. Then go to system parameters and choose email server. You can connect DSS with your Exchange server or Gmail account or some other third-party email service. In this case, I choose Gmail. Put the SMTP gmail.com as your SMTP server. Your email address is here. Then go to password. Put your password over here. Leave the port to 587 and encryption method to TLS. You can also insert some of the email where you would like to receive the test mail from your system. And hit the save. As you can see, it's successfully saved. Then go to your Google account. Once under the account, go to security. On security, you must enable your account to work with less secure apps. So you need to actually turn on this feature. Once this is turned on, the DSS server will connect to your Gmail account. Once everything is done, click on Save. If you want to test if everything works, I recommend to send the testing email from the DSS. As you can see, tested email configuration is successful. Now you should receive email to your mailbox. As you can see over here, alarm mail test. This is an alarm test mail. Please do not reply. If you receive this email, everything is set up successfully. Thank you very much for watching.